Most people work for money. But the rich make money work for them. It sounds like a cliche, right? But there's a real mindset shift behind it. One that changes how you earn, spend, and grow your wealth. In this video, we'll break down how the rich think differently about money and how you can start adopting the same mindset today. The average person trades time for money. An hour of work equals an hour of pay. The rich flip this logic. They see time as their most valuable resource, something to buy back, not trade away. That's why wealthy people invest in systems, businesses, or assets that earn while they sleep. They spend money on things that save them time, not just things that cost less. Most people see money as something to hold on to, a safety net. The rich see it as a tool, a resource to create more opportunities. They use money to buy assets, invest in skills, or build systems that multiply their income. Instead of asking, how much does it cost? They ask, what return will this bring me? That's why while others spend £1,000 on the latest phone, the rich might spend the same amount building a website that earns £100 a month. For most people, debt means danger, but the rich know not all debt is bad. They use good debt to buy assets that generate income, like using a mortgage to buy a rental property or a loan to scale a business. Meanwhile, bad debt is used for liabilities, things that lose value or bring no return. Most people rely on one income stream, their job. The rich build multiple streams of cash flow. They think long-term. Instead of asking, how much can I make this month? They ask, how can I build something that pays me every month for years? Dividends, royalties, real estate, digital products, different names, same principal, freedom through recurring income. Here's the most overlooked truth of all. The rich see themselves as their greatest asset. They spend on education, mentors, and experiences, because knowledge compounds faster than money. A book, a course, or a new skill might not look like an investment on paper, but in the long run, it's the one with the highest return. So if you take one thing from this video, start thinking like the rich, even before you become one. Use money as a tool, protect your time, and build systems that pay you long after you stop working. Because wealth isn't just about how much you make, it's about how you think. If you found this video helpful, hit subscribe for more clear, simple money lessons every week.